Okay, it says, ordinary is my superpower. You used your superpower to defeat a superhero. Were you at any time ever scared, afraid? Where did you derive all this
What's
strength?
that?
You used your superpower to defeat a superhero. We all know who.
It's not out there, it's in the magazine. Please ask a decent question if you want to. You are too completely into scandals, huh? This cover is, I think, because it's century old. Gracia is a century old. So it's very special. And I'm so glad that you guys chose me to grace your cover. And I think we were a great team. And you guys gave me this makeover with beautiful hair and makeup and the whole retro, contemporary twist to retro theme. And I love doing a change where we was inspired by Prince, late Prince, and so I think it was very gratifying to be a part of your team. You know, there are all kind of people out there. Few live for admiration, few live for love, few live for money, few live for just for the sake of living. I live for my freedom. And it's very important to me. It means a lot to me to being able to say what I feel is the right thing to say and being able to do what I want to do, basically. And just being my own person means a lot to me. And I think that is the only reason, that's the only thing I live for, nothing else. There's so many. I think one that I have is is a sari which my sister gifted me. It's a Kanjivaram sari. And I've been meaning to wear it, so let's see. I think I need a very special occasion to wear it, but I haven't encountered one. What I like is very classic style, which is a bit uptight also sometimes, but I think contemporary style is all about being comfortable, being, you know, like easygoing, laid back, and you want to add a bit of a class to that, and there you go, it becomes easy chic, you know. So I think that's a very nice philosophy and your own sort of version that you've, like I said, fashion is your own interpretation of, you know, who you think you are and what you perceive the world as. Yeah.
Okay, it says, ordinary is my superpower. You used your superpower to defeat a superhero. Were you at any time ever scared, afraid? Where did you derive all this strength?
What's that?
You used your superpower to defeat a superhero. We all know who.
It's not out there, it's in the magazine. Please ask a decent question if you want to. You are too completely into scandals, huh?
Who do you admire as a style icon?
I think there are many people who incessantly work on actors' style and their glamour, but I think they are unsung heroes. There are so many stylists who really work very hard, like Ami Patel or Anita Shroff. There are so many of them. But I feel these days everyone's stylish because of these, I said unsung heroes. So there are so many of those. I would like to give these ladies credit for our style. And I think apart from that, Ria and Sonam are doing really well in that world, the world of style and glamour and all of that. So they really keep, you know, all of us very engaged and extremely inspired with their style.
एक फिल्म आई थी कृति शिरीष कुंदर की फिल्म थी आपने आप उसके लॉन्च में गए थे और ये फिल्म जो है इट इज क्लेम दैट इज कॉपी ऑफ अ बॉब फिल्म नेपाली फिल्म सो नाउ द फिल्म इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब
हटा दी गई
I don't know anything about that.